Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. Cause he ain't got nobody to listen to.
Every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. Cause every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat so? I can't let you go. Want you in my life.
Can't help myself. I just can't help myself. I don't need nothing else. All I need is you. Why don't you just stay with me? 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 Never wanna be without you. See myself with only you. Finally found my inspiration. Hear your voice and baby, anything I got you. What you want, indeed I'll be. Cause you are my everything. So baby, please just stay with me. Am I stupid? Baby, I'm addicted to it. Baby, I don't know. But you're my get right when it's wrong. Baby, you should smile. Makes me happy. Baby, you should smile. So relaxing. Without you, I just can't go on. No, I just can't help myself. I just can't help myself. I don't need nothing else. All I need is
Lost in the darkness, hoping for a sign. Instead, there's only silence. Can't you hear my screams? Never stop hoping. Need to know where you are. But one thing's for sure, you're always in my heart. I'll find you somewhere. I'll keep on trying until my
sound of middle ground.